So now let's see how we can generate Word documents inside of Microsoft Copilot. So in order to generate a Word document, let me just go around and type in this prompt. So I'm just going to go around and say write a Visual Basic Code that I can run as a module in Microsoft Word right here, just like this. So I need to go around and type in this. Write a Visual Basic Code that I can run as a module in Microsoft Word right here for this content. And I'm going to go around and give it a content over here. So what I'm going to go around and say is, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say an essay of 3 paragraphs with paragraphs of a boy learning from YouTube channel TutorTube right here, just like this. And what I'm going to go around and say, highlight the important words in different colors and make sure the title is large compared to other body text right here. So this is what I typed in, as you can see. So write a Visual Basic Code that I can run as a module in Microsoft Word for this content, an essay of 3 paragraphs of a boy learning from YouTube channel TutorTube. Highlight the important words in different colors and make sure the title is large compared to other body text. So let me just go around and send this, and what happens is that it'll generate out a Visual Basic Code that I can run in Microsoft Word, as you can see right here. So you can see that it defined the document right here, and you can see that this is what you have, learning from with TutorTube, and you can see the code right here, just like this. So that is what you have right here. You can see that this is what it actually is writing with paragraphs and everything, as you can see right here. And it does take a bit of time because I did give it some prompt right here. So you can see that this is the first paragraph that it actually created, and this is the second paragraph right here, just like this. And then it is generating. Then now you have the third paragraph as well, as you can see. It is generating the code which highlights all the important words and so forth right here, just like this. So this is what it is doing. It is actually generating right here. So let's wait for a while till it actually completes out the code right here, just like this. And it simply ended it out. And it even is telling you how you can run this VB code in Microsoft Word now, as you can see right here. So now what you need to do is you need to go around and copy and paste out this particular code right here. So you can see that it actually finished the replying. So I'm just going to go around and copy out this code. And now I'm going to go to Microsoft Word and then go to the developer mode right here. So once you go around over here, you can see the Visual Basic entry point. But if you don't see the developer mode, then you need to right click on the ribbon right here, then customize the ribbon, then go around on the developer and enable this out, and you will see this. So now you need to go around and go to Visual Basic and then go to Insert and Module, and then go around and paste this particular code that Microsoft Copilot generated. Once you do that, go around and press the play button right here, and you can see that this is what it generated right here. So learning with TutorTube right here, and then 3 paragraphs, as you can see right here, and important words right here has been highlighted right here, just like this. So you can see that it says the journey of education is ever evolving. In the digital age, a young boy named Alex discovered a treasure trove of knowledge on a YouTube channel called TutorTube. His curiosity was big and his passion for learning was ignited. So each lesson offered by TutorTube was a step forward to mastery. You can see that it highlighted the important words as well and so forth. And that is what VB code generation in Microsoft Copilot can do. So that is how you can generate Microsoft Word documents from Microsoft Copilot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.